Ever wondered how to bring a piece of nature indoors? Consider creating a terrarium. These mini indoor gardens are not only visually appealing, but also act as natural air purifiers. Creating a terrarium is simpler than you think. Stay tuned to learn how. Before we start, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need a clear glass container, some small rocks or pebbles, activated charcoal, potting soil, and of course, your choice of plants. With these materials at hand, we're ready to start building our terrarium. Now, dive into the exciting process of creating your indoor garden. The first thing you'll do is add a layer of pebbles or small stones to the bottom of your glass container. This serves as a drainage system for excess water. Next, add a layer of activated charcoal. This helps to filter the air and keep your terrarium fresh. Now, it's time for the potting soil. Make sure to add enough to give your plants room to grow. Then, make small holes in the soil for your plants. Choose plants that will thrive in this microclimate. Succulents and ferns are great choices. Carefully remove your plants from their pots and gently place them in the holes. Once they're nestled in, add a bit more soil to secure them. Lastly, give your plants a good drink of water. And voila! You've just created your very own piece of nature indoors. This terrarium will bring a touch of greenery to any room. And the best part is, it's all made by you. After creating your terrarium, it's important to know how to care for it. Basic care tips include placing it in a location with indirect sunlight and watering sparingly. Overwatering can lead to mold growth. With proper care, your terrarium will thrive and beautify your indoor space. Creating a terrarium is a fun and easy way to bring nature into your home. In just a few steps, you've crafted a unique ecosystem that enhances your space and well-being. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more DIY guides. Keep creating and enjoy your green inside glass.